Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Snowflake Python UDFs for scalable in-database logic, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Select the appropriate database where your user-defined functions, or UDFs, are located. Navigate to the Worksheet section within the Snowflake interface. Write a SQL command to retrieve the current UDF definitions. Use the Show Functions command to view existing UDFs. Identify the UDFs that require updates. Next, write down the names and definitions of the UDFs you wish to modify. Open your preferred code editor to make changes to the UDF logic. Review the performance of your existing UDFs. Identify the parts that need optimization or scalability improvements. Begin rewriting the UDF logic using optimized algorithms or best practices. Ensure that your updated code adheres to Snowflake's SQL and Python UDF syntax. Test your updated UDFs in your local environment, if possible. Prepare your final SQL command to create or replace the UDF in Snowflake. Use the create or replace function statement for the update. Include the updated Python code in the UDF definition. Specify the required input parameters and return types correctly. Run the SQL command in the Snowflake worksheet. Monitor the response for any errors or success messages. If any errors occur, troubleshoot the issues based on the feedback provided. Once successful, validate your UDF with test cases to ensure it functions as expected. Document the updates made for future reference. Finally, share your updated UDFs with the team for further feedback and usage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.